welcome. You're watching on Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rambai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Reverend Father John Zosiama visits Don Bosco Media Network. Public awareness campaign against child marriage in Peit. Meghalaya Police welcomes 22 new recruits. And 3 injured in Bihar road accident. And now the news in detail. On October 24th, the Don Bosco Media Network DBMN team warmly welcomed Reverend Father John Zosiama, the Shillong Salesian Provincial, during a ceremony at the DBMN studio. Reverend Father Michael Makri, Managing Director, expressed gratitude for the Salesian Society's ongoing support in enhancing media efforts that promote human dignity and morality. In his address, Reverend Father Zosiama emphasized the vital role of the media in today's world, urging the team to focus on sharing positive and factual news. He highlighted the community's desire for uplifting stories and encouraged teamwork rooted in brotherhood and mutual support. People expect a lot of good and true news from your team, he said, inspiring the DBMN staff to meet the community's thirst for quality journalism. O.L. Marbanyang expressed appreciation to the provincial for his paternal visit, reinforcing the bond between leadership and the media team.
As we are working together, Don Bosco style of working, this one is this, because we have to work together as a team. So Don Bosco insisted so much on this, on collaboration with the lay people. Not only the fathers cannot do, only the brothers cannot do. This way we have lay people like you who are expert and who are also ready to collaborate, ready to work with us, and we are working together as a team, as a family. We are working together. Don Bosco always insisted that family atmosphere, family spirit should be there. So we are colleagues. Yes, we are coming from different places, different villages and different regions. But as we are coming together as a team, we must be able to appreciate one another. We must be able to respect one another, accept each other and work together. And also accepting the other colleagues as our own friends, as our own brothers and sisters, and working together. That is Don Bosco institution. Wherever he started and wherever we are supposed to create that kind of family atmosphere. And so when we feel that we have that, we belong to this one, and we experience that family atmosphere, family environment, and then love and understanding, then we will feel like coming to work also. It will not be anymore a burden to come to work, because it is like my second home, because most of the time maybe I'm working here, most of the time I'm doing my work, and so that is instead of staying at home. So I stay at home only in the evening and then maybe at night, then the whole day maybe I may be working. It is something like our workplace is like a second home. So if you can create family sense of belonging, then we will be happy also. We will be happy to work together. We will be able to work together as a team. So I invite you and also encourage you to continue to work together as a team. Feel at home when you're working. Your working place is like your second home here, and together with the fathers to work together for the good of the society, and especially to communicate and to give positive news and also to influence them.
On October 23rd, the Noston Civil Hospital, in collaboration with the Dorbarshnong Peit, held a public meeting in Peit village to educate residents about the dangers of child marriage. The event aimed to raise awareness among youth, parents and village officials regarding the significant risks associated with early marriage. Pidalin Nongbri, adolescent health counselor, and Rubinel Nongsiet, lady health visitor, led the discussions, emphasizing the importance of personal development and health over early marriage. They urged attendees to focus on acquiring skills and maintaining good health. Local authorities, parents and youth benefited from the informative workshop, gaining valuable insights into the consequences of child marriage. This initiative is part of the state government's broader effort to promote public education and protect the rights of children, fostering a healthier future for the community.
Kita nama bengi la categorize la dan la ka jong ka stage. Te hak be dei bakini ki jing long samla lut ki jong phi. Te don ka jing changes ha ka met. Dei ha ka changes ha ka met. Ka jing change ka jing kala ha ka jing mu jing perkhat ka jing kala ha ka emnang sa lang bat ka jing kala ro ha ka dukum ngau. Ka tagi on ki physical ka social ka emotions bat ka mental. Abang nyepet ya ka physical kemut ya ka ai. Dengan physical dia kan nu ka badai bat ka met ka jingi kan kom he kan kom san ka growth development ka jingi ha ka bateng teng yo I bangi change neng I ka jingi pher hapeng khilung I bana khandai snam bat ma phi ki bala khat snam nei te ka don lu ka ta ka jing pher ha ka ba ka jing mu chim per khat ka jingi kum nu ngi per khat ka creative thinking ka idea ka jingi ka ya pher ba ki khina dang vet te ngi ju hapan su thu bala da don pressure ngi hap ban don ka ta ka self control ma kabangin haban control la jong ban ha ban em ha ki khap ki ban kam ban ho on ni la ban ho on pat ha ki khap ki ban kan ban em ni ha ban ban em nama ka tin em bar khat ni yo bet ban de ka de yong phi kum na ma phi la ban le ka de ka shong ha ka jing snow ko jong phi
de kat kan ni ka kabu bangan yo barbar nga set let tersuling iway teng lain ngosongot ani nga sosial sila yaw dapat ne mata pada hakajuk ka kejingkran hakajuk kat ne ting ngasno komen sibun ya kinong panian paki lalum kat ne ki adolescents namar ba nakden juk pi lada pi bat teriang ya ka ba pi osngau ani ni me bandai osngau kum pi menta te kranga katan yo dang don tang wei anmut khun tang ba de namar ba ngimtip ni la wat lok kloi ngimtip ya takajing de kamur ba ki khun la borim ha te ngamur ban ongum ta ba menta ngini thu ya kata teenage pregnancy kumba ngi ong kan ka topik menta haba ong teenage kamut badang dei.
On October 24th, the Meghalaya Police Department celebrated the passing out parade of 22 new recruits, including 17 recruit constables and 5 followers, who completed their training at the 4th MLP IRBN in Sopian Nostan. This marked the first such parade for the unit. C.A. Lingwa, Deputy Inspector General of Police, served as the chief guest, emphasizing the importance of integrity and service in policing. The event was attended by notable officials including West Khasi Hills Deputy Commissioner Garrett L. S.N. Dykes and Superintendent of Police B.D. Marak, along with family members of the new officers. The ceremony highlighted the commitment of the recruits to serve and protect their communities.
This is the platoon from 1st Battalion Meghalaya Police Mauyong, led by Band Master NEHU Thomas Samla. Who have undergone their basic training course from 2nd January 2024 till today, 24th October 2024. Madam, 4th MLPBN, who was raised in the year 2002 with its headquarters at Sopian, West Khasi Hills district. This unit has since been imparting training to recruit constables since 2006. This is the 9th batch of recruit constables who are successfully graduating their basic training course from this unit. Madam, the training started with introduction of basic drills, movements and area familiarization. The intensity of the training was gradually increased with introduction of field craft, map reading, weapons and tactics, road marches, raid and ambush, radio signal and communication, fire control, riot control, counter-intelligence operations and jungle warfare. Madam, the training was still intensified further by subjecting them to stressful situations, combat drills and endurance runs. They were also trained to overcome war obstacles, trench assaults and covert and overt reconnaissance, ultimately culminating into a 2-day, 2-night extreme fatigue exercise with withstanding heavy rain. Not only have we made them strong physically, ma'am, we have also tried to improve their intellectual ability. We have imparted classes on new criminal laws, Police Act, Assam Police Manual, MB Act, POCSO Act, and UAM Act.
On this passing out parade.
On October 24th, a serious road accident occurred in NH06 in Umdihari district when a Maruti Alto collided with a parked truck. The incident happened at 5:40 a.m. as the driver lost control of the vehicle, resulting in significant damage and injury. 3 passengers in the Alto sustained serious injuries. Police from the Nongpor Traffic Branch quickly responded, transporting the injured to Nongpor Civil Hospital before transferring them to Supercare Hospital in Shillong for further treatment. Authorities are investigating the circumstances surrounding the crash. On 24th of October, the Hill Farmers Union HFU met with EM Revenue by Alvin Saukme to address complaints regarding the illegal collection of taxes from vehicle transporting vegetables in the region. Following the meeting, HFU General Secretary Ba Alfan Karsentio informed the media that the EM assured them of an investigation into these unlawful practices. Alfan emphasized that the HFU has consistently sought action from higher authorities to protect the livelihoods of farmers who rely on agriculture. He urged Ba Saukme to prioritize these issues and take swift measures to support local farmers, ensuring their rights and economic stability are upheld in the face of exploitation.
Yo banyak kendu ya ba Alvin Saukme bide EM jongka revenue hadir ke jengni jongka to ka news ka ba kinograp ke sya khrong khajna ha ka to ka giat bodon ha promotion kabadan Khubor district dan nakaliang jong kaseng nila paro yaga city jong DC jong ribhoi bat meta kasni ngilawan ya kapan kendu kerpang yang jong revenue adin kejing keren kejungi ka jubab na kala penun ini dah kaba ila ai kublei ya ka hil sama union bakalawan sakmat ban ra da kejing tho ban ai ya kanika city ban snow sa office alor kanika jingja ka basutana te ru kalomba na kaliang ka jong ila krenchai ba kumkini ki bajia ki long ki jingja ki ba penkindit ya ka office ibra away badru kalong ki jingja ka basusi ba kumkini ki case kabaka office kampoi perkhan ke nakaliang ka jong ila shim ya ka jingkit kli ila kularu yani kumkinong yalam jong kinongrat ke hil sama union ba yong ba in salum ya baro khait kini ki ba shim tenda na ki CDC ha ka bidi ki gi ba in sapulong ya ka meeting na Monday la ni Tuesday in pala ban fix ya Khubor but yong ru ba nakaliang jong office in sapha biang da jing tho shaki ba kimdei ya ka ban krong la ni ban shim khajana ya ki mar chu kinongrat ba mi na kajalla te ila pen song thu ro yani ba kindon katu kane agai bidei ba ka ki brio ki banabar nani ki dikhar ki bawan ban khai ha ka jala ga juni ila panchai ro yong ha ka bidei begitu nagaliang jong ka office kandon la ka jong ka rule ka an ya ka bidei ban shim ya ka khajana la ka ta jongki in smokemen ya ka jing kindu juni ta ka sni yai ba ni net scam ba kumba ngala krenchai ha ka tu kan news ro.
So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.